So here is the fantastic Yum glass cleaner. Now there's loads of glass cleaners out there. There's so many, but the one we've landed with here, the Yum glass, what the formula what we've got now is just fantastic. It applies nice and easy. It's streak free. It'll get rid of fingerprints or bugs on your windows or even on your windscreen. You can use it obviously in and out of the window, on your mirrors, you can use it on your windscreen, you can use it at home on your TV, you can even use it on your shower screens and keep the missus happy. You can use it wherever you want. It's fantastic. Obviously I'll show you here, just a light mist, apply it onto the window, one of our cloths, get it. It's so easy to apply, it smells lovely as well, it's like bubble gum, beautiful smell. And like I said, it's so easy, and you see the streaks just disappearing. It leaves like a crystally clean finish without them awful smears where you're trying to get them off and just mucking nastiness at the end. Fantastic product by Yum again, the glass cleaner.